If you ever thought about turning your followers into paying supporters, you've probably heard of Patreon. But is it really the best way to earn from your fans? Or are there hidden downsides that creators never talk about? Let's start with the pricing first. Now for this one right here, if I click on pricing right there, start a Patreon is free. As you can see here, it is perfectly free. There is no subscription about this one. So Patreon has been around for years, helping creators, freelancers, and the works in earning some money through their fans. By earning, I mean by donation. It's simple. Fans subscribe to your tiers, you give them perks like early access, behind the scenes content, or even one on one chats. Really depends on you guys. That's just a surface, by the way. Once you set it up, you realize how powerful it can be. It gives you the real connection with your audience. You're not just counting views anymore, you're building a loyal base that supports your work every month. That's the dream for most creators. But the more you grow, the more you start notice its cracks. Yep, even though it's free, there are gonna be all the little cons here. Let's talk about the pros first, okay? So reliable monthly income, depending on your fans, of course. Easy integration with YouTube, Discord, and social media. The cons for me, well, Patreon takes a cut. Even though it's free, there's a cut from it, 8% to 12% plus processing fees. Payouts can be delayed, and worst of all, your success still depends on your ability to promote yourself. Basically, it depends on your fans. But for me, the biggest red flag here is gonna be there's a cut, 8% to 12%. So is Patreon worth it for 2025? Well, to be honest, if you already have a community and want recurring income, absolutely. But if you're just starting out, you might find it tough to grow there without existing followers. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.